Hey, my home decor lovers. Welcome back to my channel. If you're thinking about giving your space a little refresh, hold up. Don't spend a dime until we see what I found at Ross and Burlington. We're going on a little shopping trip to find unique pieces that scream designer without the price tag. Let's get into it.
Baby, you give me ice and fire.
We're starting in the wall art section, and y'all, it's packed with texture, neutral tones, and pieces that can elevate any space. This piece is muted and soft, easy enough to blend it with glam or a traditional space without overpowering the palette. And silver is coming back into style. Okay, let's switch gears for a moment. These mirrors are sleek, substantial, and would instantly elevate a bedroom or a hallway. Every console doesn't have to have a mirror over it, y'all. This piece would be gorgeous over a console. This console would be perfect for it. Marble top, gold legs. It's giving high-end boutique for way less. Okay now, this chair, plush, white, and full of personality, it's giving Hello Kitty glam. Perfect for a little girl space or a bold corner in a grown-up glam room. At $120, it's still a solid price point, even with the recent tariffs. This section at Ross is my favorite. I mean, it has it all. From statement vases, florals, greenery, sculptures, lamps, candlesticks, and more. All of these home decor pieces are absolutely great for layering and making your house feel like a home. If you love Lux for Less, go ahead and tap that like button and subscribe so you don't miss a single styling or shop with me moment. If you're styling a console or a kitchen island, Ross has options that feel designer, but at everyday prices. This is the first time I ever ran across Paris Hilton cookware at Ross. I know Amazon carries it, and I was able to find a 10-piece set for $10 less. The link is in the description. Now, y'all, before we pop into Burlington, I had to pause right here. Because Ross came through with some stunning large area rugs. I mean, neutral tones, bold tones, and a lot of texture. And the price point that makes you look twice. Now, listen, I love me some home goods and Amazon too. Y'all know they have great options. But don't sleep on rugs from Ross because these will transform your space.
I've been navy blue, been somebody's fool, but all I
Walking into Burlington, I was immediately drawn into these Afrocentric wall art pieces. I'm not going to say too much because some beauty deserves silence. So let's just take this in.
light up every room like a super balloon. You put me together when I was broken too. Fireworks in the dark, super shooting star. Some things make sense to me, but I still can't believe how wonderful.
Thank you for shopping with me this week. If you love today's finds, make sure to check out my last Ross walkthrough. There are pieces there that would pair perfectly with what you saw today. I'll link it below and in the V cards above. Until the next time, be blessed and keep creating beauty with heart and soul.